All right. NCL announced on Great Stirrup Cay, they are in 2026 adding 19 slides, back to the slides, cliff jumps, which seems dangerous with alcohol, a river float, which I suppose is their way of saying a lazy river, but we've seen lazy rivers with some active rapids, a splash zone for the kiddies, and a cave bar, which is kind of cool. I guess that's like under a waterfall or something, which would be awesome, like a grotto. That would be awesome. The pictures look really cool. I mean, we see this big slide facility in the center of this big pool with a sun area, the lazy river going around it, beautiful looking pool and bar. And then at the bar, it has the concrete seats. Great Stirrup Cay. Which is
Caribbean?
Yes, Caribbean. It's NCL's private island there. And this, again, is their attempt to lure in more family travelers to Norwegian. We just talked about this. They're adding more things. They're going in with these new ships, with these new island features, directly competing with Royal Caribbean.
Oh, you think that was all? Not even close, Wanderer. The full episode is packed with juicy travel details, game-changing tips, and a few did that really happen moments. Click the link below before everyone else is talking about it without you.